warning for Kingfisher County in central Oklahoma, Logan County in central Oklahoma, northern Blaine County in northwestern Oklahoma, until 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:41 p.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain, which will increase over the warned area. Between 1 and 2 inches of rain have fallen over parts of northern Kingfisher County. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Expected hazards include flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source, Doppler radar. The following impacts are over parts of northern Kingfisher County. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Guthrie, Kingfisher, Hennessy, Crescent, Okarche, Jackson, Dover, Cedar Valley, Marshall, Mohall, Cimarron City, Orlando, Hitchcock, Loyal, Lovell, Lacey, Nadina, Omega, and Seward. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 148 and 165. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. This includes the following highways: Interstate 35 between mile markers 100.
Oh, there's another one.
The National Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Noble County in northern Oklahoma, northwestern Payne County in central Oklahoma, until 2:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 1:42 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 5 miles northwest of Lake Carl Blackwell, moving east at 35 miles an hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Stillwater, Perry, Morrison, Glencoe, Lake Carl Blackwell, and Lake McMurtry. A tornado watch remains in effect for the warned area. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Triple header unlikely, but let's see.
A tornado warning remains in effect.